In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Wix. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just someone working on a personal project, organizing your content effectively is key to creating a professional-looking website. Bullet points are a great way to break up large blocks of text, make your content easier to read, and emphasize important points for your audience. The good news is, adding bullet points in Wix is quick, simple, and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools you need to enhance your text formatting and take your website design to the next level. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard, where you can see all the websites associated with your account. From here, click on the website project that you want to edit. This will open your project in the Wix editor, which is where all the magic happens. Next, locate the specific text box where you want to add your bullet points. As you look at the editor, you'll notice that all the text elements on your page are contained in these text boxes. Scroll through your page or navigate to the section where the text box is located. Once you find it, simply click on the text box to select it. This will activate the text box and allow you to make changes to its content. Now, you'll want to highlight the text that you want to format into bullet points. Click and drag your cursor over the portion of the text you want to select. If you haven't typed the text yet, you can go ahead and add it now. Then highlight it before moving on. Highlighting ensures that only the specific text you've selected will be formatted. When you highlight the text, you'll see a floating text toolbar appear near your selection. This toolbar contains a variety of text editing tools that you can use to format your content. Look for the button labeled Edit Text on this toolbar and click it. This will expand your text editing options and display additional tools for customizing the appearance of your text. Among these options, you should see the bullet point icon. It's a small filled circle that represents the bullet point formatting. This is the tool you need to transform your plain text into an organized bulleted list. Go ahead and click the bullet point icon. As soon as you do, the selected text will be formatted into bullet points, making it more structured and visually appealing. Once the bullet points are applied, you can adjust additional formatting options to customize their appearance. For example, you might want to change the font size, color, or alignment of the text to better suit your website's design. You can make these adjustments using the same toolbar or by accessing other text settings in the editor. Take a moment to experiment with these options until you're happy with how everything looks. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added bullet points to your text in Wix. This simple formatting tool can make a big difference in how your content is presented to your audience. So don't hesitate to use it whenever you need to list items or emphasize key points on your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.